guys, welcome back to Caveman Mining. I hope everyone is well and having a great day. On today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing of the AMD Radeon RX 6600. Alright, let's get to it. We're going to open her up here. And so I got this card from Micro Center here. I didn't have to wait in any lines of any sort, which was pretty cool. Let me just adjust our camera here. For once, I know they've done the first come, first serve at Micro Center, and then the last time I was there, they did the scan a QR code. So actually, this time around, I just went around lunchtime, around noon. There was no line, no wait, no trouble getting it. There was a bunch of 6600s. This particular Gigabyte, it's the Gigabyte Eagle. Okay, it's the triple card edition, probably one of the longer or the bigger cards. This was the last one left for the triple card editions. They had some power cooler Hellhounds left and a few of those Mech dual fan editions. So we're gonna go ahead and just open up the plastic casing to go ahead and take a look at the card here. Just made a quick little edit to get some extra additional light here just to help us out. Let's go ahead and open up the plastic on the card and get this honking guy out here. Yeah, this is a triple fan edition. The Eagle, like I said, we have the Eagle for our 3060, so the look and the feel of the card is pretty similar to what I'm used to. Looking at the back plate, it's all plastic here. It's got that big cutout for the heatsink on there, which obviously seems to be a much larger heatsink than the 3060 dual fan card that we have here. And looking at the power, so we have one single 8-pin PCIe power there. We've got that like wind force triple fan design. They've got the little inlets that go around the fan, and then they've got their traditional blue Eagle logo over the plastic there. So pretty good looking card. Definitely, added weight compared to the 2-fan edition. Definitely a bigger heat sink that's in there. You can see all the metal that's in there. A few capacitors kind of sticking out on the side there. And then looking at the IOs and the plugs for the HDMI and the display port there. So it is a 2.5 card slot fitting on motherboards and things of that nature. So yeah, pretty sweet looking card. Nice feel to it, quality feel. It is a 8 gigabyte model, so it's going to be good for some time to come in terms of hash rate, hopefully well beyond the days of Ethereum and going into Ravencoin and all that. So yeah, I'm really excited to have this in my hand. I'm excited to get this tested, and I want to see the power efficiency. So I think what we'll plan to do is run it on the test bench, the little motherboard over in the corner there, and get that plugged up probably for the next video. So let's this isn't really final until we do the peel, and I think to just make sure where the plastic is on this, but yeah, it's on the top. So let me dig out some of the plastic on the top. Do it nice and slow, try not to get a tear. Try to get it all in one piece. Look at that. There we go. All right. I think I've gotten better at doing this after a while. Let me just make sure there's no remaining or other plastic anywhere. Sometimes I've heard they put the plastics on the fan covers, and yes, they do. So we're going to take those off as well. Just a little little buttons on the fan. There's 3 of those little plastic covers. Yeah, so I heard if you leave those on over time, it can tend to warp the fans or the bearings that are in the fans, cause some issues there. So just, yeah, make sure you always double, triple check the card in all spaces, all crevices for any type of plastics on there. So yeah, guys, this is pretty cool. I'm excited to have this. Fairly new, like I said, just 2 days on the market, and yeah, ready to test. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Do you like the look of this card? Do you like the 6600s? Do you not care about it? Like I said, in terms of like, you know, raw card itself, it's pretty much the same as the 6600 XT. I think it's built on the same like chip and everything like that from AMD. So yeah, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think of the look of it, and if you're excited to see me test, and let me know what you'd like me to test. And also, if anyone out there has one, let me know how well it's going with it. Are you mining anything specific? How well are your efficiencies? So definitely let me know what's the deal with that. But yeah, with that said, guys, I'm happy with it. I'm excited, want to get it on the test bench, and then eventually we're going to be putting it on the you know, hanging rig that's up there. Get a total of 5 cards now up there, which will be pretty awesome. We'll start to expand that rig a little bit.